Idea where I'm coming from.
You're back in the truck? But we're chasing him not to the patio? Okay. Oh, stop here. Okay. Particular as Jane.
In the back of the truck. Try to keep him with one of those supports up there.
And that was the Montreal wasteland of Anton Electric with Unsatisfied. But I'm going to stick around when the Rebels have asked for another moment of getting nautical with a wonderful Quebec-born artist. She calls herself Tour de Pirate, Pirate. And don't know the reason why. So great. Years ago, she had a really nasty breakup with another musician.
I'll pull his tech down, and that brick pulled my marriage down.
She was the
It's gonna be as fucking dramatic. Whatever.
Soundtrack off the session, bud! There were a lot of freaking sessions, bud! I'm thinking you were working on more than just your backhand. Maybe backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better. Well, maybe I should go up there and practice my backhand. On your face! Bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is, bud. Well, look up, man. You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking magnanimous! May I please offer you my employment? You fucking motherfucker!
Dude!
And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit!
Well, hey,
Wait! You got the wrong idea, pal!
The game is tight. And the acting's really good.
Here we go! Let's see what happens! Oh, for Christ! Oh, shit! Sorry, damn, he wasn't already!
Holy shit. Dude's just destroying his day.
Push the pedal, huh? Are you fucking serious, Yeah! Fuck, man, fuck! Oh, we did! Fuck his ass! Yeah, fuck him! But was we really trying to pull that dude's house off the fucking hill? Man, we were trying to teach him a fucking lesson. Now that's just a bitch ass lesson, man. Maybe he'll keep it on the court and out of my way. Yeah, he not taking no housewives back to that motherfucker. And service to the fucking community.
Wow. A little extreme, but I mean, hey. You gotta do what you gotta do for love.
Mr. Santa, what the hell? It's not my house. Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Yeah, where you belong.